Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting the MIDI clip and instrument sounding exactly how you want. This matters because rendering captures audio, not MIDI behavior. Once the clip is finalized, select the MIDI track and make sure it's audible and routed to the right output or master. Make sure freeze or external effects are engaged first if they affect the sound. After that, create or select an audio track ready to receive or record the rendered audio, and name it so you won't overwrite anything important. Once done with routing, pick how you'll convert. Freeze and flatten is fast and keeps arrangement timing intact. Use freeze to deliver a low CPU preview, then flatten to create an audio clip. Alternatively, export stems if you need discrete files. Set loop or selection boundaries, then open export audio/video and choose source as the track or master. Make sure sample rate and bit depth match your project needs, and decide whether to render effects and return raw or processed audio. Finally, record or export the audio and confirm it aligns with the arrangement. If you record it onto an audio track, stop and consolidate any multiple takes into a single clip. Make sure to apply fades or warps if needed and rename the file for clarity. If something goes wrong, check output routing first. Ensure the audio track's input is set to the MIDI track's output, monitoring is correct, and freeze is cleared when expecting live renders. Fix routing, then re-render to complete the conversion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.